Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vinay Blog Creation F4. How are you all? And let's who are being new over here, let's share and subscribe my channel. So let's start this journey, and today is being very wonderful blog being presenting to you, and next blog I will show the everything. So let's grow with nature in my place. You can see over here, okay, this is my area, my place. This is Assam, full of nature and green beauty, and we are now going to explore you something. You can see the village area, you can see the paddy fields. So आपको paddy fields, village area सब कुछ नजर आ रहा है. And so be stay tuned, don't go away. If you go away you will miss the wonderful adventure. Okay, we are being in a journey, so I will show you the clips, and next blog is being coming, so you are being waiting for the next blog. आप लोग वो दिल थाम के wait कीजिए, next blog भी आने वाला है. तो we are being to now adventurous journey in now. Okay, this is my area where I am live, and you can see it's full of greenery, the paddy fields and everything, mountains, clouds. Yes, we are going to explore something, so being still wait, and so don't skip. Okay, you can see the beautiful flowers full भी आप देखिए कितने सुंदर है. So being stay tuned, and you can see the beautiful plants. Yes, flower is always the bloom, and the roses especially. Yes, this is the morning view of the roses. I can show you, this is my home plants of roses. तो है ना, गुलाब के फूल बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं. I can see this this is the red flowers. Okay, and yes, the journey is begin on. तो journey अभी on है, and you can see the full of adventurous, the clouds, white clouds, and the paddy fields, mountains and everything. And we are now in journey to explore you something. So what is being that? So that's being a surprise, and next vlog is being coming to you. So still wait and don't skip away. You can see my city area. Okay, yes, and we are way to going to explore you, so big stay tuned. Okay, yes, you can see this right way in the city. We are going to move way turn. Okay, so let's go. दिल थाम के बैठो, क्या दिखाने वाला हूँ मैं आज में, है ना. बहुत कुछ है, मैं आपको धीरे और बहुत अभी नेक्स्ट अभी ब्लॉग में आपको दिखेगा. मैं सारा कुछ आपको दिखाऊंगा, the way to journey. Okay, this, so let's take some relax of part of weekend also. And yes guys, this is being a waterfall. Okay, yes, तो बहुत दिनों से एक बात था कि मैं आपको waterfalls दिखाऊं ना. Yes, this is being a waterfall tourist place in my area. Okay, where I live. Yes, so in my next blog you will get this thing. Okay, so let's enjoy the vibes of the waterfall. The water, yes, you can full of adventurous journey. If you go to Darjeeling or the hill area like Arunachal Pradesh, etc., you can see. And this is in my place where I am living, Assam. Okay, you can explore, and this is being a tourist place also. So what kind of tourist place, what is this waterfall, everything I will discuss on second part of my blog. Okay, मैं आपको बोलूँगा. तो लेट्स, यहाँ पे हम लोग सभी लोग एंजॉय करने के लिए आते हैं यहाँ पे. इफ़ यू है ना, अभी गर्मी का दिन है, इट्स बीइंग समर सीजन राइट नाउ, एंड इन दिस समर. ओके, सो ऑल पीपल आर गैदरिंग, कम टुगेदर फॉर एक्सप्लोर, गेट सम रिलैक्सेशन एंड द नेचर. ओके, नेचर को आप आराम से देख सकते हो, लुत्फ उठा सकते हो, एंजॉय कर सकते हो. सो बीइंग स्टे ट्यून्ड, डोंट गो अवे एंड स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो. So hope you will enjoy the vibes of nature, the full of nature and green beauty. The rock mountains is being a rock mountain. Okay, you can see that, and इसको झरने की पानी बोला जाता है. बहुत ही ऊंचे पहाड़ों से होकर के आता है. Okay, and everything in next vlog is coming, and that's being surprise and what is going on that. So enjoy the vibes, the nature, the waterfall mountain over here, and all the tourists this is my tourist place also. So all are coming here, enjoying here, and I will show you everything. So let's enjoy the vibes of nature, the vibes of rock mountain. Okay, so how you feel, and leave a comment, and what kind of videos you want to be. So let's tell me everything, and stay tuned in this video, guys.
रुक जाओ ये रहा